you have students coming from that side of town. Because of that, they are not be able to attend lectures. Surely, as a responsible investing and maybe the leader, I should consent. So out of my legal resources, I felt I should extend this personal gesture to the community to say we stand with them.
This weekend, I will go to the village, display it there, give it to them, mention Prof's name for them to thank him, then I share it for them. And it will help them. Nobody has called me this weekend for any food for them. So if he has called me, he has done more than best. Has done more than best.